Hello people. Inasa nami sa ano, Sky. Hello people. Nami sa Everglades.
Down?
Hello.
Wetlands.
So wetlands. Na siya ano ay nasa paypayag nila oh. Rest house nila in the middle of wetlands.
Slide.
Mo na ang ano.
Ouch. Ouch.
Sa ninagi ni mga buaya dere. Mga buaya.
Some white bird out there.
Naa sila yung airboat diri nga ano nagi siya yung area nga pwede ka magsakay. Then ano dayon ni ani then imong unsa ni laagan. Nay siya ay. Nay siya diri ay. Nay siya ano. Nay siya rest house diri. In the middle of swampy area. Hello Sky. So fun. Ganan ka diri Sky.
This looks hot.
Nice ay.
Fix your hat. You can see them. Okay.
But what's wrong with the trees?
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Because it's winter, no more leaves. Right? I remember in Boston. You see? No more leaves ay. Maybe because of the winter?
No.
Huh?
I don't know. I
No.
have no idea.
I remember in Boston the
This ain't Boston, so it's not cold here. It's fine.
yeah, but sometimes it's cold, man. Hello, Sky. And a bees.